Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show how to stitch a straight line. Let's look at the settings that we need for a straight stitch. So if you look here, 2 is for straight stitch. So I have set 2 here pointing to this arrow. That is for a straight stitch. And the back dial is set at 3. That is the stitch length for a straight stitch. 3 is good enough, anywhere between 2 and 3. 4 will be when you want, big stitches. But generally we'll be using 3, and this dial here will help us position the needle. So if you look at the needle now, as I move this, the needle will be moving left and right. You can adjust this position based on where you want the needle to be. You'll need to lower your presser foot using this lever here at the back, and then press your foot control. So make sure that you press slowly so that you'll go in slow speed initially, and then look at the edge of the presser foot and the fabric. So don't look at the needle. Because this is a moving part, it will be going up and down. If you look at it, then you will lose focus. So always look at the fabric and the presser foot. So let's try that. And what you need to do is you need to guide the fabric. So as you're stitching, the fabric is being pulled backwards with the help of the, this is called the feed dogs here at the back. So that is actually pulling the fabric back. So what you need to do is, as you're stitching, you need to guide the fabric such that these both points match. That's how you will get a straight stitch. So let's try that again. All right, so let me take it out. You need to lift the presser foot and then pull your fabric. You have 2 threads now. One is the bobbin thread and the other one is the top thread. Let me cut it. Here, look at it. Every single time you will have a straight stitch, that is a straight line, because you are following the edge of the presser foot and the fabric and not looking at the needle. And what you see here, this is called the seam allowance. Usually when I'm stitching dresses, I usually take 1/2 inch or less than 1/2 inch. For quills it is 1/4 inch. All right. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.